Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrencies on Robinhood. So if you're wondering how to do that, this video is for you. Let's get right into it. The first step is to ensure that cryptocurrency trading is available. That's the first thing to do. So you got to check that cryptocurrency trading is available in your state or region, and then you got to verify that your Robinhood account is eligible for cryptocurrency trading. So these are the first things to take note of. And once that starts the way, let's get straight to the next step. And the second step is to fund your Robinhood account. So before you can buy any cryptocurrency, of course, you got to have money in your account. So first thing you got to do is to deposit funds into your Robinhood account using a payment method accepted by Robinhood. And the second is to wait for the funds to settle before going ahead to buy your cryptocurrency. So now that you got money in there and all, the next step is to navigate to the cryptocurrencies section. So first up, you want to open the Robinhood app or log on to the website. Then tap or click on the markets or cryptocurrency tab. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to buy from the list of available options. And that's pretty much it. So the fourth is to set your order. First up, you want to tap or click on the buy button next to the cryptocurrency you selected. Then enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy in US dollars. The third, review your order details, including the cryptocurrency quantity and total cost. The last step is to confirm your order. So first you want to do is to tap or click the confirm to place your order, and then review the order confirmation details. After that is done, you pretty much have your cryptocurrencies and you can start using it. Of course, I got a final step. Not really a step, but let's just count it as a step, and it's more like an advice. So you got to monitor your cryptocurrency holdings. If you want to check that, what you can do is to go to the portfolio tab to view your cryptocurrency holdings. Tap or click on cryptocurrency to view its current price, charts, and other details, and you can use that to help yourself. The available cryptocurrencies on Robinhood include the ones such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, as well as others. So you can check whichever one it is you want to go for, make sure it's there, and then you can use that. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found that useful. If you did, make sure you like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video, and of course, if you haven't done that already, please consider subscribing to the channel. And for those who have already subscribed to the channel, we love you so very much. But in general, don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you so much. Catch you in the next one. Peace.